If you've been trying to make money online and not succeeding, or even if you have been succeeding, but not quite to the level that you want to, I think that you are going to be super excited when you see what I have for you. It's all coming up in my review of The Writer's Secret. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I mean, even though I got a new line with Raymond Reddington, just been watching The Blacklist. I really like it. And by the way, you can see behind me, I'm now home again in my house that we just bought. I'm really excited. But if you are new, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead because my jokes can be kind of lame. I know that. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do is seriously to review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, keep your crap, okay? Nobody else wants it. You want it, fine, keep it. Nobody else does. That's it, okay? Forget about it. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. You know, I'm not a fellow New Yorker anymore. I finally officially moved out of New York. I'm now living in a beautiful small town in Western Pennsylvania. I'm very happy here. But okay, you know, you can keep the rhetoric. Anyhow, but seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for The Writer's Secret. This is a product from my friend Marlon. Now, Marlon is somebody who has literally been doing this for over 20 years, the make money online thing. He does this full time. He makes a ton of money. You know, I've been doing this for like 3 years, and he's been doing this for 2 decades. So you know that he's picked up a trick or two in his time working in this industry. And he is probably the biggest expert that I know of. Really nice guy, by the way, willing to talk to you, willing to hang out and spend time, and not just somebody who's going to go and give you a hard time. Now, I do have some custom bonuses. Before we get to talking about this thing, I'll show you the members area in just a second. I do have a few custom bonuses to give away to you because I really want this thing to be a no-brainer for you. So first and foremost, I'm going to be giving you 100 ready-made emails that you can use to sell stuff online. Okay, now these are emails that I personally wrote that are really high-end emails that have made me thousands upon thousands of dollars online. Okay, these are not just junk that, you know, somebody wrote up just one day. I personally wrote every single one of these emails. They are good, they are solid, they make money. Bottom line, they make money. Okay, fact is they make money. Now, beyond that, I'm also going to be giving you access to Storyist. If you already have Storyist, then you can pick any of my other software products. Okay, so you're going to get Storyist for free in addition to the 100 emails. Plus, I have 2 additional bonuses that I convinced Marlon to give me. You'll see the details down below. One's called Excalibur, and I forget what the other one is, but you'll see the details below this video. If you were watching this on YouTube, just click the link and you'll be able to see the details of everything you'll be getting from me as a bonus when you pick up The Writer's Secret. Now, I do want to point out there is a special coupon code right now, 7 discount, gets you $7 off on the price of The Writer's Secret. So that's going to make it a little bit cheaper for you. So that's going to be a good deal. And let's go take a quick look at the members area. You can see here, it's not just one simple thing, okay? He's got a whole list of things. How to get started in 2 hours and 58 minutes. This is real. I've looked at it. It's amazing stuff, okay? He's also got a book on how to create a $37 product. And the idea is that you make a $37 product and you keep promoting it and promoting it, promoting it, and making more money. And he's got all these different things included here completely for free. It's really an amazing, amazing package that you're getting from my friend Marlon. And it's not super duper expensive. It's a little bit pricey. It's I believe it's $47. Of course, you get that $7 discount. Let's go take a quick look at the price. I believe it's 47, and then there's $7 discount. No, it's 55. I'm sorry. So it's 55. Go ahead and use the coupon code. It was 47 after the discount. That's what it was. Use the coupon code 7 discount. It's going to get you an extra $7 off, make it just $47 instead of $55. And of course, you're going to get Storyist. Okay, everyone right now is paying $47 just for Storyist. All right, so if you didn't get it during my promotions, when it was on discount, you can get it right now. If you already have Storyist, you can get any of my other software products. You can get Boost Opt-in, or you can get SEO Explosion, or you can get Conversion Champ, Lifetime Conversion Champ, or you can also get Social Viral Club. So any of those things that you want, just let me know that you want it. You get it included for free. If you got everything because you're a super fan of mine, let me know. We'll figure something out that I can do for you. Maybe I'll give you like a custom-made bonus product. There'll be something available for everybody. We want to make sure that everybody's happy, that everybody gets something really, really valuable when you pick this thing up from me. Okay, in addition, you're also getting 100 ready-made emails. These also go for $47 when I usually sell them. You're going to get those for free. Plus, you're going to get these 2 other products from Marlin that are $10 each, getting those for free as well. So basically, you're going to be paying $47 and you're going to be getting, what is it, over $100 worth of quality stuff. And that's real prices. That's not, yeah, this thing should be $19.97, but you're getting it for $17. No. This is real stuff that you're getting for real real value from, because these are the actual prices that these things actually sell for. I'm not giving you something that is, that you can get it for, $5 somewhere else. No, these are actually, that's the actual price that everybody else is paying. They're going to be getting these things from me. So I really want you to see that this is a really, really solid price. It's going to be $47 after the discount code, 7 discount. Grab this one. Let's formally see if I'm going to give it to him as a product creator.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Or not. Yeah, seriously, you're the man. I really, really do like this. It's a very, very high quality product. Okay, and if you're serious about building a business online, this is what you want to be getting, because Marlon is going to be the person who's going to teach you everything you need to know. He's not going to play games. It's not another gimmicky product where it's going to show you a method that doesn't even work. This is what he's been doing for over 20 years to make money. This is worth it. Grab it. You're going to love it.